bird house. See ya. They are growing. It's not been long I stocked them, so yeah, they are growing. That's their water. I'm making this video and also using the opportunity to check if anyone is dead or sick. By looking at them, I can tell anyone that is not well. So this is my pen house for my birds, and the previous video I made was for the catfish. What happened? I gave you people calcium of recent. I give you calcium. Why are you bending your leg? Abi, are you resting? Hope so this fowl never get leg problem. I beg you. So these are my birds. Hey, cuckoo, cuckoo. I don't finish this food. I know they finish them. Food why I put how many minutes ago. Now they chop these birds. Now they chop. Now they chop waiting no good. Food I put how many minutes ago. I filled this up to the brim. See this one? It was filled to the brim, but look at it, eating half of it. These boys need to come and pour water here because there's no water here. John! John! Let him come and give these birds water. John! Come. There's no water here. As this morning. Now this one I never put water. This one's there, they breathe funny.